What's going on?
I don't know, man. It's week 54.
Week 54. Damn, that's a lot of weeks.
It is.
That's over a year of COVID. A year and 2 weeks.
Yeah.
That's 54 weeks. That's a
There's,
long time.
There's another year on your lives as well. Year of life.
Yes.
What are you now? 56?
No, I was 46 yesterday, Josh.
Oh, damn it.
But yes. Anyway, we've cooked up a bit of a Moroccan-y, Middle Eastern-y feast for you again this week. Josh, what the hell's going on with the starter?
The hell is going on with the starter? So, we've made a pastilla, a pheasant pastilla. Normally they'd make a pigeon pastilla, it's very famous in Morocco, but we've made a pheasant pastilla, and we have used some delicious pheasant from Milicho. With that, we've served some sort of roast beetroot, and we've taken some of the yogurt dressing and just done a light dressing in that. We've got some harissa and some Shropshire microgreens, and yeah, it should be pretty good. So the pastilla is basically a sort of phyllo wrap parcel.
Delicious.
And then the main course, we've got some delicious lamb, like we've done it before, sort of spiced it, slow cooked it, shredded it, rolled it and spiced it. And then you guys will fry it off to get it nice and crispy. And then with that, we've served some like braised lentils and this asparagus and olive salad with some pomegranate and wild garlic and tahini. And Ruben will tell you about Revani.
Thanks, Josh. I was going to forget again.
Yeah, I know.
Hell, I'm now 46, I can't even remember what the pudding's called. Here's a Revani. That was probably not the right accent, but it's basically a semolina cake that's been steeped in rhubarb and orange syrup. Obviously, you probably wouldn't use rhubarb out in Morocco, but it's local and it's seasonal, so we're using it for a bit of that twist. Ordinarily, they'd be served in a nice triangular shape, but we didn't want to end up with any waste, because if we cut like that, we'd end up with a bit of waste. So we've gone for the squares, which probably means you get a bit more as well. And then they're served with some extra rhubarb, Wye Valley rhubarb. That's some Neal's Yard creme fraiche, just to cut through it all. And then there's an extra drizzle of the delicious syrup on top. So yeah, pretty tasty menu.
Looks good.
I'm pretty excited about having it for my lunch right now. Anyway, so yeah, if you fancy it yourselves, get down to CSONS.uk, where you can order for delivery to pretty much anywhere in the country. Yeah, comes as a meal kit, so you can prepare it at home. There'll be videos uploaded shortly to show you the exact method behind it all. But yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty delicious.
Probably, I don't know, what did I do? About 5 minutes worth of cooking today?
Actual cooking, yeah. Pretty easy. Restaurant quality meals in the comfort of your own home. Get to CSONS. Don't be alone. Invite your mates round. You can in the garden now. Up to 6 or 2 families. Word.
Nice.
Bye.
This is CSONS. We're out.